We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. The smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat. Let's put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. That's what it's about. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carrying items, safety restraint, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
Before you board, we have a few safety reminders. Seatbelts go left to right. Smaller aviators who don't reach the red marker on the back of the seat will put the seatbelt through the center strap. Larger bags will be placed off to the side in the designated areas. Loose fitted shoes can stay on the ground, and any personal items you're holding must be held tightly. Have a nice flight.
I love it. It's so nice. Come back soon. Thank you.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff. sure to gather all your carry-on items from the underseat compartment and exit to your left. Have a great stay here at EPCOT or wherever your final destination may take you.